So I will quickly show you how to run a message ad right now. You can run it for, maybe you want to bring people to a WhatsApp group, you want to have a seminar on WhatsApp group and all this stuff. You can do this one, okay? And you can actually do it for products also. You can do it for products. You can do it for products. So I click on create. All right, click on create, and I click on create. All right, I'm not thinking. Okay, sys. I'm still using sys. Sorry for that. Okay, I'm still using sys. Then continue. All right, I click on continue. Let's wait for it loading. Now, where the change come is this. That time I was using this time you should know the price and the amount to set here. Depends on how much you want to spend. Like I said, this place also the name that you want to call your campaign was whatever. So the next one is that you click on next. The WhatsApp ad is cheaper than conversion ad. So if you put your money, don't put the same amount of budget. As a matter of fact, you can start with 1,000 naira as daily budget for this kind of campaign. Like some of my digital products, I start with 1,000 naira, increase it to 2,000, increase to 4,000 and thereabouts. So just use your initiative and testing to know the amount that is good for your own campaign. I don't know the material, the content of your campaign. Just be sure that you set amount that is, it won't be too much from the beginning. So this one, you know what to do. Type the name of the asset. It's not compulsory anyway. Now conversion location, instead of website, now I'm using WhatsApp. That is different. Instead of website, now I'm using WhatsApp, and it won't ask me for PZ. Say asking PZ. Okay, say select page. Ask that direct to WhatsApp can be created offer several weeks of the following our purpose for by verifying your business, verifying your what did you mean by this? Ask that direct to WhatsApp can be created after several weeks of following our policy. Hey, like I said earlier, that this is a new ad account. So because of that, they have not allowed me to to create this one. I'm supposed to click the page that I want to use to run the ad. Immediately this PZ of a thing will disappear because there is nothing to track. I said that don't use PZ for WhatsApp ad. So I will pick the page. After when I pick the page, there's something to pick there again. The time. You won't be able to select audience also. So, but you can select the location, the age range, detailed target. Say we use a broader audience when you are using WhatsApp instant. This is let our system explore more opportunities to show, so there is no detailed targeting about it. And I will as well recommend that you should use the manual one that I explained earlier. Click on manual. So you can see that when I click on manual now, it didn't show me maybe mobile or laptop. Why? Because you know that WhatsApp is majorly for phone. Is that clear? So I can decide where I want my audience to come from, maybe from Facebook only or from Instagram as well. Collapse this one to remove everyone that you don't want it to show. I only want that Facebook feed. Let me leave the let me leave the Instagram feed also. So I will uncheck the rest. Please, if you have not watched the conversion, I'll go back and watch it, so that the reason why I'm skipping some things is that I've explained it when I was creating the conversion ad. Okay, so I move on to my ad copy now. Say choose a page, the page I want to use to run the ad. That page will be the same page I have selected here. Don't forget that I'm supposed to select a page here. The page may have been collected to my WhatsApp account, so I will select the same page, the page here, and I'll come back here to come and select the same page here. So I will select the same page here. Say choose your page. Do you know the reason why I can't choose the page? Because the same condition you gave me that place, that is what is still happening here. So just choose your page. Manual upload, create a source. Sure, that is what we are doing before now. Format the media. Let me refresh. The same thing that happened that time is happening here again. If you have any question, just chat me up in the group or post the question there. I will gladly attend to your question or your request if it's still on this subject matter. I will gladly attend to it. Okay. Now you can see that network is also messing up also. Let's go back to that page. So because they are not giving me that permission from the assets level, that's why the ad I can't choose the page also. So from here I will choose the what do we call it now, the image or video that I want to use to run my campaign. Is that clear? Then my ad copy, I told you something caching. It can be the details of the products that you want to market or services. Now the headline, shout us, that is only what is always there. Call to extension, send a WhatsApp message, maybe order now, it depends on what you want to use as well. Website events, well, don't do that one. So don't forget that page may have the WhatsApp page should have been attached to your website before now. I said it. So from there you just publish, and that is all what you need to do to run a WhatsApp ad. That is all what you need to do to run a WhatsApp ad. Alright, I will end the class here.